Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my first unboxing of an Infinix phone. It's Infinix Note 10 Pro. I don't know why Infinix skipped the Note 9 series and directly jumped to the Note 10 series after the Note 9. Let's leave this issue behind and focus on the phone. Infinix Note 10 Pro, which is rich in features and available under $200. On top of the box, model name printed. And on bottom of the box, there are few specs of the display printed. On sides, again model number printed. Now let's open it. After removing the hardcover, there is a box inside. Let's open it. On the top, you will get the device on which few features printed like Helio G95 chipset, 64 megapixel quad camera, 33 watt fast charging and 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of storage. Let's remove this cover and turn on the phone. Back of the phone is looking really attractive. I will take a look on it later in this video. First, let's see what we will get more in the box. There is XPAR card and $1 bill. Nah, I'm joking. It's looking like $1 bill, but it's an invitation card to join the Infinix club. After that, we have warranty card, and not only Infinix provided silicone cover but also protection glass, which is great deal in this budget. Here is soft silicone cover, and then in the box we have power cable for the power adapter and its Type-C port. After that, we have big and healthy power adapter which is providing us 33 watt fast charging, and then at the end we have SIM tool. Sadly, hand-free is not available with this device. Now let's remove this seal, and it's looking stunning. Its color is called Nordic Secret by Infinix, and now I got the area why it got this name. It has pattern on back. I don't know what to call it, but it's looking like very small dots on the back. It's changing color on light, sometime giving blue, sometime purple, pink to orange. Many colors are blended on the back, which appear on rotating the phone under the light. It's look more cool under the sunlight, so maybe that's why it got the IF award. On left side, it has SIM tray which can hold dual SIM along with micro SD card. On the right, we have power button which also operates as fingerprint sensor, which is working really fast at first attempt. So speed and accuracy of fingerprint sensor is really impressive. And on the top, we have 6.5-inch IPS display with 90Hz display rate. That's why its display is smooth. We have punch hole which is a little bit big in size, but it's good that they provided punch hole in this budget. Display is 1080p with 387 ppi. Colors are pretty good but not comparative. While I saw good brightness and colors on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and not only that, Redmi Note 10 also has Super AMOLED display. So I can rate the display of the Infinix Note 10 Pro average. And next, I saw on Infinix Note 10 Pro not only you can switch between 60 and 90 Hz, but you can also select auto, which is really good. By this, phone will set 90 Hz when needed, and on the regular use like messaging, it will set 60 Hz to save some battery. And the display brightness nits are not disclosed by the Infinix, but display brightness is enough that you can use your phone outside in the day. And if you look on the performance, Infinix Note 10 Pro has MediaTek Helio G95, which is built on the 12nm process, which is good for multitasking and for daily use. It has the benefit of Mali G76 MC4 GPU, which is really good for gaming in this budget. So definitely this phone is good for the gamers, but I will soon try to do its gaming test to see actual results. And one thing to note, I saw heat issues on this phone. I clicked few photos with this phone and then I thought to record 4K at 30fps video. But while recording, I got overheat notification, which gave me alert that the camera app will soon close. And yes, after a few seconds, this phone closed the camera app due to the overheating of phone. So keep in mind that the chances are you will face this same issue while gaming. And we have Android 11 with the XOS 7.6 on top. I saw ads from the Infinix while using this phone, so expect that also. Next, we have quad camera on the back with 64 megapixel main shooter, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth and 2 megapixel monochrome. Camera quality of both main and ultra wide is good, not bad, but average. In this shot, details are not good, but in next shot, wide camera performed better. Colors are a little bit washed off and dynamic range is average. In ultra wide, edges are smooth and colors are washed off also. Here are few portrait shots. Edge detection is really impressive. It perfectly separated object from background, but colors are not impressive. What do you say about it? Please let me know in the comments below. But one thing, in night mode, Infinix Note 10 Pro performed excellent, provided amazing night shots with its super night mode, captured good colors and details with impressive brightness. Even in low light, it gave pretty good photos, so no complaint for its night mode. Here is the video quality in 4K at 30fps, but quality in video is not so impressive. Over brightness and colors are mostly washed off. Focus is good, but the quality of video is not like that we expect in 4K. Maybe Infinix fix this with any upcoming update. Here are the selfies from the 16 megapixel front camera. Color tone is little bit better with more details than the rear camera. You are the judge for the selfies. What do you say? Please let me know in the comments below. Here are the portrait shots. Edge detection is not bad on the front camera also. And there's 5000 mAh huge battery with this phone, which is enough for 1 or 1.5 day casual use. The best thing is 33-watt fast charging, which is really good thing in this budget. So this was the unboxing and quick review of the Infinix Note 10 Pro. What do you say about this device, especially about its back design? Please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Take care. Peace for all.